Happy Women's History Month, let's talk about Rosalind Franklin. Back in 1953, there was a pretty big discovery made, which happened to be the shape of DNA. So DNA was known about previously, but they didn't really know how it looked, what the structure was, any of that. But that was determined through a bunch of experiments and stuff by James Watson and Francis Crick. They discovered that DNA was in this funny little double helix shape, and they won a Nobel Prize for that. Good for them. Many people know about Watson and Crick. It's a kind of common trivia question, like who discovered the shape of DNA? But a lesser known, but still very much important figure in the discovery of DNA was Rosalind Franklin. Rosalind Franklin was a British chemist. She had a PhD in physical chemistry, which is pretty damn awesome for women in the 50s. And she was also a X-ray crystallography technician at a university. X-ray crystallography is a technique basically used to determine the 3D structure of crystals and all that. It's interesting, but that's not the main point of here. But this is what she did. She did X-ray crystallography at a very important university. And using her very good skills in X-ray crystallography, she helped Watson and Crick to actually discover the shape of DNA. She did all of the so she did the actual hard technical stuff of determining the actual structure. And she was instrumental in finding out what DNA looked like. Unfortunately, as you may have guessed, she did not get a lot of recognition for this. Watson and Crick received the Nobel Prize for the discovery of the shape of DNA, and she did not get anything. While she was alive, she was very under-recognized for her contributions, because she also used X-ray crystallography to find out the shape and structure of many other things, but was often unrecognized, and not a lot of people know about her. So the discovery of the structure of DNA is regarded to be one of the very, very important scientific discoveries of that recent time period, and she was absolutely instrumental in the process. So everyone take a second and thank Rosalind Franklin.